Hi everyone, in today's video you are going to learn how to view other people's calendar in Outlook in 2026. Now Outlook makes it super easy for you to check your co-workers' schedules so that you can plan the meetings without sending any extra messages. So without further delay, let's get straight into how you can do it very easily. First of all, you need to open your Outlook application on your computer. Now, when you are inside Outlook, click on the option of calendar in the left hand side. Over here at the top, you are going to see the option of add calendar. So when you click on it, in the menu that appears, you need to choose the option of from people or from the contacts depending on your version. Now, once you do this, you will see a search bar appear. In this search bar, you just have to type the name or the email address of the person whose calendar you want to view. Now, when their profile appears, simply just select it and click on the option of add. Outlook is going to load their availability in a calendar pane next to yours, which is going to be appeared here. You can click on the option of show all and their name will appear here in this section. So if you are using the new Outlook, you can click on the plus icon next to the calendars and you can choose people's calendar and search for the person. Now select the name and Outlook is going to place the calendar under the shared calendars section automatically. The calendar may show the full details or only the free or the busy time depending on the permissions the person has given to you. So if you only see the blocked slots, it means that they haven't granted the full access. Now, if someone has shared their calendar with you manually, you are going to receive a sharing invitation. You just have to simply open it and accept the invitation. So their calendar will instantly appear in your calendar view. So when you click on the option of show all, their calendar is going to appear over here. When you click on their name, you are going to see all of the meetings and all of their scheduled in your calendar. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.